What's up, you guys? It's your girl A.Maree coming to you with another motherfucking video. No, let me stop. Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A.Maree. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I have 3 subscription unboxings to do with you guys. I have Pinch Me, I have Sephora Play, and I have Morphe Me. So if you're wanting to see what goodies I got, then let go. Guys, we're gonna start off with Pinch Me. Pinch Me has been sending me, little sample items here and there. So sometimes I know what they're sending me, sometimes I don't. I really don't get like a Pinch Me box, but I have been getting like the envelopes. So I always try to bring it to camera when I get it, but it's nothing to give like a full video on, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna see what Pinch Me sent me this month. Okay, this is something that we could use. We have the Clorox Ultra Clean Disinfectant Wipes. So it's lemon twist and it's bleach free. So it's just a Clorox wipe, a ultra wipe that we're gonna test out. Maybe I'll clean my counters or something with it. We'll go ahead and try that out. So thank you, Pinch Me, for sending that over. So y'all, which one we want to jump off into? Which one first? Which one first? Which one first? I think we're gonna go ahead and do Sephora Play. This is my first time ever doing the Sephora Play by Sephora. I haven't done Play by Sephora at all since I've been doing my channel, nor before my channel. I see a lot of people talk bad about it, but then again, I see a lot of people talk good about it. So I was like, you know what? Let me just try it and see how it goes. And maybe I'll be canceling it like how I canceled Ipsy. So I don't know. I have not looked in anything yet. All I did was bust the box open. It says show off and share us using hashtag Sephora Play. So here's everything in the box. In here, it gives me the 50 Beauty Insider points. So I got some points for getting this. Yes. Say never left the store without a sample. Skip. Oh, this is, what is this? What is this? What is this? Well, I'm reading. I don't even know what this is. Oh, Sephora Bingo. Okay, it says Sephora's Bingo. Real talk. Which beauty boxes do you check? Okay, so it has like a little, you get bonus points, used Play Pass every single month. Get 50 extra Beauty Insider points when you redeem your pass at checkout in store or online. Let's dig into it and see what we got in our very first Play bag. So the first thing I see that I'm already about to be disappointed about, because I've seen that it says Universal Taupe, is the It Cosmetics Brow Powder. Now, when you do your stuff on these subscription boxes, why do they ask you to go through a whole spiel about the things you like, the color of your hair, the color of your eyes, and all this stuff for them to send you a universal taupe? Why? Why? It says it's a universal shade, looks like real hair, budge proof, smudge proof, but it's It Cosmetics, which I'm, okay with, but it's taupe. It's universal taupe. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I guess I'll put it into my giveaway drawer, and maybe somebody else could get some good use out of it. Who wins it? I don't know. So far we're not starting off to anything good. So let's see what this is. This one right here. Oh, Shaka Wan. Moisturizing conditioner and shampoo, professional hair care. Okay, this is samples of a hair care. You guys let me know how you say that. Shampoo and conditioner, which it feels like expensive packaging. I don't know, you guys. This looks interesting. Oh, when you go to use it, it comes out right here. If you bend it, it'll come out right there. Okay, it's a little expensive. So maybe I'll try this out the next time I wash my hair. Okay, so we have a Sephora triple action cleaning water. Oh wait, is this what's all on the back of my thing? Okay, yes. Okay, so the Sephora Action Cleansing Water is a no rinse, soap free cleansing water that removes impurities and makeup. So this is a makeup remover, and it comes like that. Now that's something that I'll be interested in, because I am starting to get into the Sephora brand of stuff, and I kind of like their foundation and their concealer and their, you know, pressed powders and stuff like that. I do like that, so I am trying to get in on that. The next thing is the Clinique Prep Start Eye Cream, and this is like really sample size. So a lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates your skin. So this is something you can use in the morning before you actually put on your skincare and stuff like that for your makeup application. I think I would use this first thing in the morning once you wash your face, brush your teeth, dab a little bit of this on and let it soak into your skin before you actually start with your makeup, like, basically. So that's something that I would be interested in. And then the next thing is the Urban Decay Volumizing Mascara. Bigger, Blacker, Badder Mascara. Lengthening and volumizing. So I could use this. This is something that I would be interested in using, but I think I will put this in my travel drawer that I'm trying to make and use this on the, like, when I'm on the go type of thing. Turmeric brightening polish for face and body. It looks like this. I hope you guys can see that. I hope the camera is not like washing it all the way out, but it says this turmeric powder polish that minimizes dullness and uneven skin. So it's just a brightening polish. So I wonder if it looked like it's a scrub. This looked like it's a scrub. You scrub your face and all that stuff. So I think this is something. Okay, yeah, you massage it onto your skin for 2 minutes and let it sit for a little bit, and then you wash it off. So this is something that I'm really interested in, so I could, you know, I could work with this, because this may be a new found love. So those are all the items that I got in Sephora Play, and there's only one thing I can honestly say that I'm just like, nah, that ain't for me. Like, and that was just the It Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil. So for it to be the first Sephora Play box, I could say, you know, yeah, okay, I'm getting a little feel for it. So I'm not disappointed in all of it, because 5 out of 6 items that I got, I am interested in. So far, the Sephora Play button, or whatever you call it, is a go for me. So we'll see. Every month that I get it, I'll bring it to you guys and let you guys know. So I would say so far, I don't know where I left off because the wife called about my car, but I would say so far the Sephora Play is all right. So far it's interesting, but I'm not gonna like lie to you guys and be like, oh yes, it's the best thing to, you know, go for. No, I'm not gonna say that. 5 items out of 6 I can honestly say that I'm interested in. So that's that. Now moving on into the Morphe Me. If you guys have been rocking with me since the beginning, you guys know that I was addicted to Morphe Me. Oh my god, the Live Glam brushes, like, I was addicted to this, and somewhere, I don't know what happened, somewhere through there I just completely went cold turkey on Morphe brushes. So recently it came across my email again, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pay for a 4-year subscription of the Morphe Me, and I'm gonna bring it to you guys every freaking month. And then once we hit the year mark, I'm gonna go over all of the brushes that I had collected throughout the whole year. So if you guys want to check out Morphe Me, and they also have the subscription of the lip one. It's Kiss Lips or Lips Kiss or something like that Morphe came out with too, that I was kind of interested in because I have yet to try any of Morphe's liquid lipsticks, that it made me want to go with it, but I didn't yet. I haven't. I need to see some reviews or some unboxings on it before I jump on it. But if you guys want to check it out and see what both of them are all about, I'll have the link to Morphe Me down below. So I did go back to Morphe, and I love that Beauty by Bianca is like the brand ambassador of Morphe. Like, when did this happen? When did Beauty by Bianca become the brand ambassador? I think that is dope and so cool. Like, I'm with it all the way. I did get 4 brushes this month, plus my free Morphe brush for coming back to Morphe. So it says, get ready to pop out this season with 4 new brushes from our April collection. So we're going to talk about the free brush first. I did pick up this angle brush. It gave me the option of like 5 different brushes, and I picked up this angle brush because I heard Morphe got good angle brow brushes. So it came with the spoolie and the angle, and you guys are going to see that I got another angle brush, but they're completely different. So this is the Morphe 413 brush, and it has that broom feel type of angle brush, and it comes with the spoolie on this end, and they did give it to me for free because I'm back with the Morphe gang. So I'm excited about that one. So the 4 brushes that they did give me, they do have the pamphlet with the stuff on the back. So I am going to tell you guys, I did get the Morphe R6 flat buffer brush, and I am excited to use this bad boy because I love me a good buffing brush. I like the kabuki brushes that you use to put on your foundation and stuff. Some of them make your skin look flawless. Some of them are not the best, but I do want to try this one by Morphe. It's the R6, and it's very stiff and dense, but it seems like it's gonna buff out really good. And of course, no matter where you get your brushes from, I always wash my brushes before I use them. And then I got the R44 angle liner and spoolie, and this is the one that I was telling you guys about. This one is completely different from the one that I picked up, and I am going to show y'all side by side. The angle brush, this one is more of natural hair brushes, and it has the spoolie on this side too. So the difference between the two looks just like this. They are 2 different, so I'm excited about that one. And then the next one is going to be the R34 Deluxe Blending Brush, which I'm super excited for. You can never have too many blending brushes, and that's the thing that I loved about Morphe. It was a good way to build up your brush collection, as well as use different brushes that you may have not known about to use while using your makeup. So I don't know what made me stop getting Morphe, but I'm glad that I jumped back on that. And Morphe brushes are really good, affordable brushes, honestly. So here's what this brush looks like. And it is a long blending brush, so I think this will be so good to work off in your crease and blend out those eyeshadows that you may need a flawless blend for. And then the last brush I got was the R32 Mini Round Contour Brush, which maybe you could use it as a contour on your nose. I think it'd be a little too detailed and time consuming to use this contour on your cheeks and stuff. It's like, if you really want to buff it out and be really detailed, you would use that for that. But what I would use this brush for is when I'm blending out my concealer or my eyeshadow base. This would be really good, and to clean up over your brows and under your brows, I think this brush will be really good for it, and to cream contour the nose. That's my thoughts on this brush. But this is the 32 mini round contour brush. So to say I'm coming back into the Morphe Me brushes, I can say every last one of those brushes are brushes that I am interested in and that I do see myself using in the near future. So you guys, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments on all the stuff that I got today in the subscription box, and let me know if there's some subscription boxes that I don't know about and that I may be interested in checking out. So that is everything for this video, you guys. Be on the lookout for next month's unboxings, and the only way you can do that is by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. And while you're at it, go ahead and give this video a like, the biggest thumbs up that you can, and I will catch you guys in the next one.